All right, new arrival. This super rare 1992 964 turbo. This is a 3.3 turbo and a really stunning, I don't think I've ever seen one like this, in amethyst metallic over magenta full leather interior. You can see it's got the original Cup 1 wheels, but check out this interior. How crazy is this? This is full leather and magenta, including the headliner. I think it's crazy. It's got a little bit of mileage on it. It's got 76,356 miles. But I was wondering, who would order something this wild back in 92? So I was flipping through the records here, and sure enough, there's a photo of the original owner. Look at that boss. Wild. So cool. So again, this is a 1992 964 3.3 turbo. Amethyst over magenta full leather interior with 76,000 miles. Awesome car. I don't think you've ever seen it. I've never seen one. I've seen everything, but I've never seen this color combination. So just awesome rare car. Be up on the website if you have any information. Again, 1992 964 3.3 turbo.